For the remarkable celebration of the Silver Jubilee of IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science. Today, we come together to reflect on the incredible journey that began 25 years ago. A journey defined by growth, achievement, and pursuit of excellence. For over 2.5 decades, had stood not just a center of learning, but as a vibrant community that has shaped thousands of lives, nurtured innumerable dreams, and built a lasting legacy of excellence. This milestone makes more than a passage of time. It is a testament to this shared vision, commitment, and dedication of all who have contributed, our visionary founders, the dynamic leadership of our principal, of our devoted faculty members, and the remarkable achievements of our students and alumni. Today is a time to reflect on the past, but also look forward to a bright and promising future. We have seen generations of students walk through these premises, gaining knowledge, discovering passions, and going on to achieve great things in their respective fields. And none of this would have been possible without the tireless efforts taken by each and every member of IPS Academy. Once again, I, Dr. Shamal Sen, and I, Dr. Kavita Upadhyay, extend a members, principal, all head of the departments, all the beloved alumni, faculty and staff members to join us on this historic occasion. We are truly honored to have you all with us today. As we celebrate the important milestone, 25 years of IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science, we are not merely making the passage of time, but the integrity of legacy built on dreams, dedication, and determination of those who believed in the power of education. Annadanam paramadanam vidyadanam ataha param. Annena kshanika trupti yavat jivacha vidya. This Sanskrit shlok translates the power of education, that providing food to the hungry is one of the greatest acts of charity, yet the gift of knowledge surpasses all, for it empowers the individuals to thrive throughout their lives. As we celebrate our Silver Jubilee, it is a moment to reflect on the extraordinary journey we have embarked on, a journey that has transformed a vision into an institution renowned for shaping the leaders, innovators, and of course the problem solvers of tomorrow. Let us enjoy the moment of reflection, appreciation, and anticipation together. We are now about to witness a beautiful group dance performance that tributes the Lord Ganesha through the graceful movements, expressive gestures, and profound music.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
घालिल्लो टांगण वंदिन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे प्रेमे अलंगिन आनंदे पूजन भावे वाळिन म्हणे नावा त्वमेव माता पिता त्वमेव बंधुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या तरुणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृति स्वभावा करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि गिरिधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे
What a wonderful performance. Thank you, dear students. Our Honorable Principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, has played a pivotal role in shaping the journey of IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science. Her tireless commitment to academic excellence and her dynamic leadership have been key to the prominent progress we have made over the past 25 years. With her at her helm, our college has not only continued to grow but has embraced innovations, encouraged research, and cultivated a culture of holistic development. As we celebrate this milestone of our silver jubilee this year, her leadership has been a testament to the incredible strides that college has made. May I now request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, to share the journey of 25 years of excellence, IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science.
A very good evening to all the distinguished guests present here. On behalf of IPS family and on my personal behalf, I cordially welcome Dr. Akhilesh Pandey sir, Vice Chancellor Vikram University, Director AFRC Hindolia ji. आप एक कमिटमेंट से यहाँ आए. I'm extremely thankful to you. Our teachers, Dr. Patel, Dr. O.P. Bhatia sir, eminent professor at IPS Academy, and I am fortunate enough that they are my teachers. Our president, honorable president, if I am not wrong, I can say young, dynamic, and our president Achal K. Chaudhary sir, and the first director of the Institute of Engineering and Science, Dr. R.J. Lalwani sir. Thank you, sir, for being the part of IPS family. And thank you, management, for giving me opportunity to be the part of IPS family. Today is really an auspicious day. We have already completed glorious 25 years. So hearty welcome to the Silver Jubilee celebration, celebrating 25 years of excellence in education, innovation, and leadership. On my heart, personal belief, and on behalf of IPS family, I invite all my esteemed alumni to this program. The promoter of this, the vision, the institute, the academy is architect Achal K. Chaudhary sir. He is an he did his architecture from IIT Kharagpur, an eminent architect, and above all, an educationist. IPS Academy is one of the leading self-financing group of institutions devoted to impart quality technical education with the sole motto of knowledge, skill, and values. Offering multiple courses and in multiple colleges, like offering architecture, management, hotel management, fine arts, economic research, performing arts, pharmacy, fashion technology, law, Institute of Science and Research, and Institute of Engineering and Science, which was established in 1999. Of course, affiliated to RGPV Bhopal and approved by AICTE, and got the autonomous status in 2020 for the 10 years by UGC. As we discussed during the first session, that we applied for 5 UG programs for accreditation, and we got the approval of 5 UG programs of accreditation in the first attempt. So our all UG programs, eligible UG programs, are accredited by NBA. NAC accredited, of course, approved under Section 2F of UGC. We have now 2 campuses. One campus that is offering main campus, we call this as a main campus. We begin our journey with 3 UG programs with the intake of 180. Now we are offering 14 UG and 8 PG programs, and 3 UG and 2 PG programs for working professionals from this year itself. This year, we are going to complete 25 years, so we want to expand our campus. So we started one off campus and offering 4 UG programs at that place. We are one of the 5 institutes in the country who got the opportunity to open the off campus. As per the perception of the college, we were ranked by Times Engineering Survey 31st among the top 175 engineering colleges, 29 among the top 125 private engineering colleges, and 6th among the West Zone colleges. We are registered as a AWS Academy for training and certification as per Career 360D, AAA+, Best Engineering Institute, secured All India rank 85 among 1000 plus engineering colleges, participated in internship day. Our students are successfully organizing TEDx, that is TEDx IPSA, license is already being approved. We successfully conducted last year, and this year also we are planning to conduct. During COVID, AICTE Utkrasht Sansthan Vishwakarma Award for performing during COVID-19 under the theme India Fights Corona. The 14 awards were declared. Out of 14, 2 awards were given to IPS Academy Institute of Engineering Science. First one is how innovatively we are conducting classes for the students during lockdown period, and what are the details of other support provided to the migrants. We are also awarded by RGPV Bhopal for the best green practices adopted in the field of energy conservation, top performing remote center, spoken tutorial with 4-star rating, recognized by Ministry of Education for establishing AICTE Idea Lab. It was awarded by RGPV for best green practices, appreciation by AICTE New Delhi for significant contribution in One Student, One Free initiative, recognition by Ministry of Education to implement Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. This is actually the roadmap. We begin our journey with the 3 UG programs. One is Computer Science Engineering, another is Electronics and Communication Engineering, and another was the unique one, that is Fire Technology and Safety Engineering. The intake was 180, 60 in each discipline. The journey proceed. In 2003, we introduced electrical, then civil and chemical, then electronic, PG programs in computer science and electronics, then PG programs in structural engineering, then industrial safety, chemical engineering, introduced UG program in mechanical engineering in 2013. We introduced another UG program, that is computer science and information technology, computer science technology, then data science, then IoT. We introduced PG programs in robotics, then cyber security, artificial intelligence, agriculture engineering. And recently in 24-25, we introduced off-campus with 4 UG programs, belongs to computer science fraternity, and working professionals for 3 UG and 2 PG programs. So in short, the department was established, like computer science, electronics and fire technology was introduced in 1999, that is since inception. Then electrical, and finally civil, chemical and mechanical engineering. We have multiple disciplines in computer science engineering with various research areas like natural language processing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technology, etc. Similarly, we have BTech in electronics and communication, MTech in digital communication with biomedical research processing research area, modeling simulation, etc. We have fire technology, UG program as well as PG program in industrial safety. Research areas are fire prevention and protection, fire dynamics, industrial safety and disaster management. Similarly, in electrical also we are offering UG and PG programs with multiple research areas like demand side management, wireless sensors, power converters and power quality. In civil engineering, we are offering 1 UG and 2 PG programs. One in structural engineering, another is construction planning and management. And research area, we have, with international collaboration, we are doing research in earthquake engineering and disaster management, structural health monitoring, sustainable development of infrastructure and nanoparticles and nanocomposites. Similarly, we have UG and PG programs in chemical engineering, and the research area is reactive extraction, process modeling, photocatalysis and environmental sustainability. We have mechanical engineering offering BTech and MTech, and the research area we have state-of-art laboratory funded by DST under core research grant. We established microfluidics lab. Refrigeration, air conditioning, supply chain management, conditioning monitoring, vibration and noise, and heat and mass transfer. As far as regarding the R&D facility available in the college and the initiative taken by the colleges. So most of the faculty members are publishing papers in SCI Index Journal. There are multiple papers, so I'm not going to mention here. 8 patents are already being granted to the efforts of the students and the faculties. 21 patents are already published. We have ongoing research projects which are already sponsored by SERB DST under seed grants also. Drug diffusion studies, earthquake performance of existing structures, IoT-based health monitoring, drug diffusion under shear stress, ERP web development, design and fabrication of an electrical ATV, mobile application for campus management, and integration of haptic gloves with an environment. So these are the research area, all are sponsored. Around the total grant we received in the recent 5 years, more than 6 or 7 years, it is 3 crores plus. Regarding the collaboration nationally and internationally, so the international collaborators we have are from Mexico, Professor Oscar Casillo, from Mang Jingo, from Singapore, from Antino Torres from Portugal, Professor Rajesh Dhakal from New Zealand, Professor Stephen from Slovakia, Professor Sunil Bhagwat from Mumbai Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai, Professor Maude Ma from Singapore, Professor Jamni from Sri Lanka, Professor Golube Vasile from MIPT Russia, Dr. Valerie Tele again from France, University of Paris, Valentin E. Ballas from Romania, and Ms. Suzuki from Japan. We have an international collaboration with University of California, Los Angeles under UCLA Extension Program. Actually, students have to finish 3 years at IPS Academy, and last 1 year they have to spend at UCLA for earning credits under 3 quarters. So they will get the opportunity to work in America, as they will be eligible to get OPT for that period. So this MOU is already being signed. This is the recent development. Similarly, the Worcester Polytechnic Institute, UCA, USA for certification program. For this also MOU signed, because UCLA is not offering programs in fire technology. So we don't have a choice. We have to go for another university also, that is Worcester Polytechnic Institute. Being an autonomous institute, we had the freedom to transfer the credit earned at USA to India in our college. MIPT Russia, the joint research MOU is already being signed. Faculties are delivering sessions in our college, and our faculties are also delivering session in MIPT Russia. I have the collaborative lab, that is earthquake seismic analysis, and we have submitted collaborative projects also and already being approved also. Russian Academy of Science, Moscow, for research in earthquake engineering, again MOU signed. Imperial College of London for the faculty exchange program. Our faculty spent 1 month at London, and in the winters, the faculty from Imperial College of London will be spending at IPS Academy. And the research will be on microfluidics. National Institute for Quantum and Radiological Science, Japan, for research on bacterial vaginosis. National Institute of Fundamental Studies, Sri Lanka, for research on effect of biofertilizers on different rhizosphere microbes in a microfluidic platform. Catholic University, Hungary, for research on drug diffusion studies on a skin-on-chip device. We have a dedicated lab for this purpose. University of Paradigm, Sri Lanka, again, this is a joint project, a non-invasive diagnosis of oral cancer. There is a faculty exchange program. Last year, two faculties from Sri Lanka spent 6 months at our college. Now, our faculty member, a group of faculty members is going to spend some time at Sri Lanka. Jimmy University, Ethiopia, for joint research, again, MOU signed. And University from Turkey for joint research, again, the MOU is signed. We are submitting the collective project, collaborative projects. National Institute, thank you, Pandeyji. We have already signed with Vikram University, Ujjain, and VNR Vigyana Jyoti Institute, Hyderabad. We have already submitted the joint project. So MOU is already being signed. VLSI Society of India for developing talent, research, startups and employment opportunity in VLSI design and semiconductors. Airport Authority of India. Airport Authority of India is offering internship to our students for the small projects. So this is again an achievement. CSIR, National Institute of Interdisciplinary Science and Technology, Kerala, again for research projects, faculty and student exchange program is already in process. Indian Environmental Consultancy and Research Services, Nagpur, for research projects and faculty exchange program, faculty and obvious student exchange program. Consortium of Devatis Dissemination Society, Bangalore. Indian Institute of Technology, Indore. We have multiple projects in collaboration with IIT Indore. The major one is drug diffusion studies in skin-on-a-chip device, numerical simulation and experiments under core research grant sponsored by SARB, DST, Government of India. Shakti Pumps, Pitampur, I think Chinmay sir is present from Shakti Pump today for working on live projects and student internship. Marvin Silicon Softtech Private Limited, Bangalore. Then CIVIS in Environmental Services, Indore, for working in the field of solid waste management. It was felt that something is missing if we are not giving the exposure to our students to explore the opportunities of industries. So what we decided, we have to enhance our efforts. So industry-academia collaboration is significantly improved since last few years with the consistent efforts of faculty members. And as an outcome, it was expected, we request them, so Ultratech Cement has set up a center of excellence for sustainable material at IPS Academy. So this is sponsored by Ultratech Cement. Thank you, sir. Regarding entrepreneurship and innovation, we established IEDC cell in 2012, in which the students' project is sponsored by DST. We organize EAC frequently, FDPs, and incubation cell is established, supported by MSME, Government of India. As far as our contribution towards Institution Innovation Council, so we were recognized by AICT under the as a band performer in ARIA 21 by Ministry of Education, Government of India, and under top 5 best performing IIC institutes in CRO zone for academic session 1920 with the 5-star rating. And we were given responsibility to mentor 5 IICs of the region. So one is LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, SPA Bhopal, Sagar Institute of Science, Bhopal, Symbiosis, Indore, and Vikrant Institute, Indore. Initiatives for successful implementing of national education policy, which is actually the need of an hour. So we decided, and we are fortunate enough that we have the performing arts department and radio station and studio, everything. Since inception we have, I think before the establishment of engineering college, the departments were in existence. So as an outcome, it is easy for us to introduce liberal learning courses, that is the credit courses, along for the award of degree. So National Social Science, the credit courses are assigned for National Social Science, National Cadet Corps, NCC, NSS, NSO and NCA. NSO, usually people don't prefer to go for it, but what we were thinking, if a student is good in sports, he or she should be recognized. So it can be the part of the total credits earned for the award of degree. Similarly, National Cultural Representation includes podcasting, classical music, Western music, classical dance, Western dance, filmmaking, photography, there are multiple things. So all the things are available for the students, and these all are credit courses, single credit. Actually, for the award of degree, 166 credits are required. So 160 credits are purely dedicated to the curriculum what is designed by AICTE, and 6 credits steel kiye, 3 credits for the entrepreneurship and 3 credits for liberal learning courses. So this helps us in introducing national education policy at the earliest stage. We introduce foreign languages, French, Japanese, and recently we introduced German also. Because we introduced Japanese, we got the opportunity to sign MOU with TCS because they are very much interested for the colleges offering Japanese as one of the language. Introduce interdisciplinary foundation courses. Introduce relative grading, not absolute grading. This helps us in maintaining the level, in improving the level of question papers and following Bloom's taxonomy. Introduce entry and exit policy in line with National Education Policy 2020. These initiatives were taken because we got the freedom in 2020, we become an autonomous college, and so we got the opportunity to implement all these things. We introduced in 2020, and as an outcome, I was called at Bhopal for delivering the session for implementation of NEP by the Institute in the meeting held on 21st February 2024, organized by RGPV Bhopal, chaired by Honorable Minister Indra Singh Parmarji, Cabinet Minister, Higher and Technical Education, Vice Chancellor and Registrar RGPV Bhopal. So we are the first one who introduced liberal learning courses in the curriculum. Yeah. As an outcome of introducing liberal learning courses, that is NCC and NSS also, a student got Excellence Award for All-Round Excellence in NCC 2023, Soumya Nair. She received award by Director General A.K. Mahajan, the highest rank in Indian Army. Represented MP and Chhattisgarh of National Cadet Corps at Republic Day Camp. She was honored with DG Medallion Medal by Governor of Madhya Pradesh. She got Additional Director General Certificate and a Badge of Appreciation, Prashasti Patra Medal by Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. And she was selected as a delegate for international tour by Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister for Best Suggestion Youth Parliament Session. This is an outcome of the liberal learning course. Students are consistently performing well in Smart India Hackathons and consistently participating in Smart India Hackathon. So 5 teams in the recent year participated and 2 teams won the first prize. Actually 5 teams were identified in the first phase. Out of that 2 teams won the first prize with a cash reward of 1 lakh each at Mohali and Bangalore. Students are participating in Baha team. For MBAHA, which was held in 10 to 13 January 24, since last 3 years, we are consistently participating in BAHA. I'm sharing the latest achievement. So the event was held at Pitampur. Students get the Best Debut Award with a cash prize of 25,000. E-BAHA held also students were participating at Hyderabad. And Autonomous BAHA is scheduled on 29 September at Pune. So our vehicle is ready, that is driverless vehicle, and ready to fly. Students organized TEDx IPSA on 2nd March 24 on the theme Seek, and it was a grand success. Considering the responsibility towards society, we organize Youth for Nation programs. The program theme is Role of Youth in Making Bharat the Vishwa Guru. So the multiple authorities delivering the session, around 3 to 4 sessions were delivered by the real heroes of the society. Because being an autonomous, this is our responsibility to felicitate our students. So annually we conduct graduation day ceremony chaired by Honorable Vice Chancellor Rajiv Gandhi Praudhogiki Vishwavidyalaya. So since last 3 years, we are consistently doing this activity. We have laboratories in all the discipline, out of which I would like to mention here only state-of-art laboratories developed. One is heavy structure lab, which was supported by AICT under MODRO. The research was going on seismic analysis in collaboration with MIPT Russia. A microfluidics lab, which is supported by DST under SERP, research on application of microfluidics channel. This lab and the research is going on in collaboration with Sri Lanka and Imperial Academy of London. As an outcome of the placement achievement, I think this is an outcome of the strictly adherence to the academic calendar. We strictly adhere to the academic calendar. We complete all the formalities latest by 30th of April. Like old school, we declare the result on 1st of May for the final year students. What the outcome of this strictly adherence is, our students get the opportunity to go for the internship, global internship. So our students are able to grab the opportunity for the global internships during the May, June and July, because globally internships are scheduled in the May, June and July. So we finish all the things. As an outcome, our student Himanshu Singh, he applied for the internship at Germany, and after completing his internship, he got the offer of 4 CR at Tesla. He will also undergo a 2-year internship sponsored by Tesla, with the company bearing expenses amount of rupees 1.5 CR per year. He was called within a week at Tesla once he got selected. So this is an outcome, I think. And another outcome is Harsh Goyal. This is an outcome of the students performing in Baha competition. So the student belongs to CSIT, but the whole interview is revolving around the Baha competition. And he got the opportunity to be selected in Silas Software Mumbai with a package of 52 lakhs per year. These are our esteemed alumina. List is big, but I am mentioning only few of them. Rachita Avasthi, Assistant Commissioner, Madhya Pradesh, MPPSC. Rajat Saklecha, IPS officer, selected Indian Police Services. Ashish Pandey, IAS officer, Indian Engineering Services. Sunil Sangitra, IAS officer. Ramaraja Yadav, Chief Fire Officer. Rohan Pasane, Scientific Officer, Department of Atomic Energy. Mohan Patil, Bharat Electronics Limited, Ministry of Defence. Divya Singh, Wing Commander, Indian Air Force. These are the government, the serving government of India. Shashank Bagaricha, SAM Infra Vogyu Private Limited. Nipun Agarwal, Director of Path India Limited. Subrat Kar, CEO, Vidoli Meditech Private Limited. Mustafa, CEO, Canopus Infosystem. Anurag Sharma, Founder and CEO, D&S Electric Works. Ashwini, Managing Director, GoSafe. Yash Soni, Filmmaker. Shubham Gupta, Founder and CEO, Akash Varshne, Project Engineer, Virgin Atlantica Airways. Tanmay Bhopalkar, Data Scientist, Dallas, Texas. Raj Porwal, Senior Software Engineer, California, USA. Alankar Agnihotri, Product Manager, Google, California, USA. Raj Gupta, Melbourne, Australia. Akash Vira, again USA, Staff Electrical Engineer. Ashish Uplokar, Police Officer at Metropolitan Police, United Kingdom. J.K. Bakwani, Software Engineer, Aerospace. Parth Jha, San Francisco, USA. Saguna Dubey, Atlanta, USA. Ritu Gangwal, New York City, USA, Financial Analyst. Rohan Singh Rajput, Disney World, Florida. Rohit Dwivedi, UAE, Senior Specialist, ChampionX Gulf Limited. Mohak Gupta, again Oregon, Intel Corporation, Oregon, United States. Nitin Kushwaha, Solution Architects at Commonwealth Bank, Australia. Harshal Jain, Principal Advisor, Rio Tinto, Australia. I think list is too big. Avinash Sahu, BARC, Manoj Udasi, IGCAR, Aditya Mishra, Defense Research and Development, Varsha Solanki, Defense Research and Development, Kunal Adere, Nuclear Power Corporation of India, Darpan again, BARC, ISRO, Sakshi Singhal, Rishikesh Chemical Research Institute, Aditya Deo, Senior Project Manager, Tata Projects, Pranjali Sole, Capgemini. Many list is too big, so I'm going to read it fast. Prasoon Dwivedi from Torrent Gas, J.K. Balwani again, Piyush Parsar. So many students are doing best wherever they are. Yeah. Now what we have decided during Silver Jubilee celebration, we initiated the celebration from 23rd September 2023. So we decided to organize at least 7 international conferences during the whole year. So we conduct the first international conference on numerical methods and experimental techniques for sustainable and disaster resilient infrastructure on 8th and 9th September with the collaboration of IGS. As an outcome, IGS sponsored one gold medal for scoring highest marks in geotechnical engineering for our students. Another international conference on humanitarian engineering in fire, industrial safety and disaster management, sponsored by AICT, and which was held during 5th to 7th of March 24. Again, next conference was held on recent advances in mechanical and automotive during 23rd to 25th February. Then another conference on emerging techno-economic development during 12th to 13th January 2024 for sustainable environment. And 3 major activities are already, major international conferences are about to come. One is on computational communication and information technology during 7th of 8th February under the banner of IEEE. International Conference on Mathematics on 6th and 7th February, and the Conference on Application of IoT AIML during March 25. So this is our planning regarding the international conferences. Our future plans is, we want to be approved by RGPV Bhopal for PhD Research Center. This is our, ye hamari dukhti rag hai. We don't have this. To introduce new courses, programs as per the global need, re-accreditation of remaining UG programs, and establish TBI to support the startups and enhance entrepreneurship skill among the students, accreditation of PG programs, and above all, abhi naya dream hai. When I joined this institute, IPS, I'm honestly speaking, IPS was not my dream. But now, IPS is my only dream. So I want my institute should be recognized shortly as a deemed to be university. But the journey is incomplete without remembering the contribution of the members. I think Dr. Lalwani sir remember, and first batch alumni remember the first induction day program which was held in 103 room, right? And Dr. Rajmalji Porewal delivered the session in that induction program. I remember his words. He said, "2 saal dijiye, I will show you." And the show is in front of you. I'm really honored that we are under the umbrella of Dr. Shri Rajmalji Porewal. Thanks. Yes. And another remembering contribution, unfortunately, they are not with us, but they spend everything for us. They spend a lot of time, lot of guidance, everything for us. Professor A.L. Mehta. Fire technology is possible only because of Dr. A.L. Mehta. Second director of IPS Academy, Professor M.G. Sharma sir. Actually, Lalwani sir gives me freedom, and M.G. Sharma sir taught me how to handle the critical situation. Professor Sanjay Jain. I think all alumni, all faculty members, all the members belongs to IPS Academy remember him. He was one of the real gem of the society. Unfortunately, he is not with us. Professor Swati Lekha Kuha. She was with us. Her contribution is small but remarkable. She was with us for hardly 15 years. But her contribution was, we need to salute her contribution. And Ms. Shantanu Manna, he is one of the office employee. All the faculty members remember him because he plays an instrumental role in faculty section of IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering Science. Thank you. Without their contribution, without their unconditional support, it was difficult for us to achieve this height. And with the unconditional support of all the faculty members and the strength of the college is our alumni and our students. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. I think everyone needs to give huge round of applause as today madam completes her 25 glorious years in IPS Academy.
Our President, Architect Achal K. Chaudhary sir, has always been a guiding force, inspiring us to strive for greatness and uphold the values that define our institute. We are fortunate to have such a visionary leader whose dedication and passion continue to shape the bright future of IPS Academy. Sir, please grace us with your words of wisdom.
It's really very hard to take up the mic after such an elaborative presentation. I'll be very short. But she couldn't help it because there is so much to show. Congratulations to you, ma'am, for all your achievements. I welcome all the members of IPS family. I won't call you alumni because once a website is always a website. So I welcome you all the websites, all the current faculty members and all the dignitaries present here, namely our first director Dr. Lalwani, Professor Patel, Professor Bhatia ji with their family, Professor Khole sir and RGP Jo Ujjain VC sir. Welcome you all along with, and you also in a way or other part of the IPS family. While I was talking to some of the alumni, some of the sites, I felt good after serving outside for 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. They've come back to Indore, and it's really a very good gesture that coming back to your own city and giving back something to your city. I welcome you all to Indore and IPS. Apart from what all academic programs we are doing or what all achievements, I would like to tell about one thing, that IPS has a yearly fund of 1 crore. It may look very meager in presence of other government funds, but this 1 crore is for innovative ideas, and we ultimately want our academy to be known as a research center. So be it a current student of IPS, maybe a site, the pass out, or maybe people from industry, because without their guidance we cannot train our students properly. So my request to all present here, whatever new innovative ideas you have, please share with us. We'll be very happy to work on that. That incubation center is already there and lot many programs are there. We have in past worked on plasma also, and like our present Professor Punamozi is working on cancer detection, this thing. So likewise many research projects we are doing. So my request to you, whatever new innovative ideas you get, please share with us. With that, I won't take much time. Thank you all for coming here, gracing the occasion, and please enjoy the evening. Thank you all. We can congratulate Archana ma'am also. It's been 25 years ever since she was here. So congratulations to you, ma'am, for your Silver Jubilee present. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom.
May I now request our first director, Dr. R.J. Lalwani, sir, to the dais for his insights and vision for our engineering community.
सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको 25 साल सिल्वर जुबली की बधाई देता हूँ। 25 साल पहले हमने एक बीज डाला था एक बंजर भूमि में, बिल्कुल उसकी रजिस्ट्री भी अभी तक तब तक नहीं हुई थी, और हम मेन जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्लॉक है वहाँ पर क्लासेस लगाते थे, और उस बीज को खून पसीने से हमारी फैकल्टी वो भी हमने बारो की थी। गोविंद राम सक्सेना इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज से अर्चना मैडम को हमने कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट से लिया था, और उस ताइवान से एक मेरी बिटिया को मैंने बुलाया। जब कंप्यूटर साइंस शुरू किया हमको फैकल्टी इंदौर में मिल ही नहीं रही थी, तो उस डेडिकेशन के साथ, टीम वर्क के साथ अर्चना चौधरी और उसकी टीम जो हमारे साथ थी तब और अब तक जो है, उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा वट वृक्ष बना दिया है। तो मैंने कहा था कि 2099 में ये वट वृक्ष पूरे विश्व में अपनी सौगात, जो यहाँ के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, इंजीनियर्स पूरे विश्व में अभी भी जा रहे हैं। अबू धाबी, दुबई, मिडल ईस्ट, जर्मनी में देखा आपने, अमेरिका में, पूरे विश्व में जाएंगे। तो फिर से आप सबको बधाई और वेलकम। जो भी हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स 1999 बैच के हैं और जो अभी भी हैं, उन सबको स्वागत, अभिनंदन, साधुवाद, धन्यवाद।
It is my privilege to introduce the vibrant core of creativity and artistic expressions at our institute, IPS Academy, School of Performing Arts. From classical traditions to contemporary innovations, the School of Performing Arts embodies all forms of artistic expressions. Here is a group of students from the School of Performing Arts performing Maharas, which is symbolically presents the endearment of Lord Krishna and Radha.
चलत चाल चरण छन 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 पानी मा पा रे मा मा नि पा नि सा पानी सा पानी सा पानी सा पानी सा पानी सा पानी सा चरण छन 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 धुन प्यारी वृंदावन कुंज भवन नाचत गिरिधारी वृंदावन कुंज भवन नाचत गिरिधारी नाचत गिरिधारी नाचत गिरिधारी नाचत गिरिधारी नाचत
What a magnificent performance. Thank you, dear students. Let us witness the 25 years of excellence. I request our President, IPS Academy, Professor Akhilesh Kumar Pandey sir, Dr. D.A. Hindolia sir, our Honorable Principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, Dr. A.G. Kothari sir, First Batch Director Dr. R.J. Lalwani sir, all deans, all head of the departments, and our 99 batch beloved alumni, Ashutosh Sharma, Kirti Joshi, Vinit Nima, Vashisht Jain, and Ankit Godha, kindly come upon the stage for the cake cutting ceremony. I request all please kindly come upon the stage. With our program, it's time to add some rhythm to this evening. We have an exciting performance by a talented band of IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science who are ready to entertain us with their soulful music. Along with the musical program. इसके बाद भी हमारे पास प्रोग्राम्स हैं.
Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello.
नहीं जीना तेरे बाजू नहीं किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू। जो है कही, जो है सुनी, वो बात क्या है बता। मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे प्यार, मितवा ये खुद से तू ना तू छुपा। जीवन डगर में, डगर में, प्रेम नगर में, नगर में, जीवन डगर में, प्रेम नगर में, आया कहीं से जब से कोई है। तू सोचता है, तू पूछता है, जिसकी कमी थी क्या ये वही है। हाँ ये वही है, हाँ ये वही है। तू एक प्यासा और ये नदी है, काहे नहीं इसको तू खुल के बताए। जो है कही, जो है सुनी, वो बात क्या है बता। मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा ये खुद से तू ना तू छुपा, खुद से तू ना तू छुपा। तो मन मेरा पहले भी रातों में अक्सर ही चाहत के हाँ सपने संजोता था। पहले भी धड़कन ये धुन कोई गाती, पर अब जो होता है वो पहले ना होता चलना यूं ही, कसम तुम्हें कसम आके मिलना यही, एक
जा पहुंची ओ परवरदिगारा, कैसी सुनी तूने मेरी खामोशी ओ परवरदिगारा। ये फितूर मेरा आया मुझको तेरे करीब, ये फितूर मेरा रहमत तेरी, ये फितूर मेरा मैंने बदला है मेरा नसीब, ये फितूर मेरा चाहत तेरी परवरदिगारा। दिल में कभी उठ रही फरमाइशें, धीमे धीमे चल रही थी ख्वाहिशें, के दुआ वो मुझ तक जा पहुंची ओ परवरदिगारा। दीवानगी की मैंने नोची ओ परवरदिगारा। ये फितूर मेरा लाया मुझको तेरे करीब, ये फितूर मेरा रहमत तेरी, ये फितूर मेरा मैंने बदला है मेरा नसीब, ये फितूर मेरा चाहत तेरी परवरदिगारा। मुझ में सफर तू करती रहे, हर एक सांस में गुजरती रहे, शाम सुबह तू मेरा, तेरे बिना क्या मेरा तो जिस्म जा एक है, ना होना कभी तू जुदा। तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बनके जो इश्क बरसे तेरी मेरी कहानी, तेरी मेरी कहानी है बारिशों का पानी, बनके जो इश्क बरसे तेरी मेरी कहानी। सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ, क्या ये सबको होता है, हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से, बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा। खुदा जाने मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया, खुदा जाने मैं क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा। ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं ना, अपने तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूँ मैं ना, इतना बता दूँ तुझको चाहत पे अपनी मुझको यूँ तो नहीं इख्तियार, फिर भी ये सोचा दिल ने अब जो लगा हूँ मिलने, पूछूं तुझे एक बार, तू ही ये मुझको बता दे, चाहूँ मैं या ना, अपने तो दिल का बता दे, चाहूँ मैं या ना। है काश यूं होता हर शाम, काश यूं होता, गुजारा हो तेरे बिन गुजारा, अब मुश्किल है लगता, गुजारा हो तेरा ही नजारा, अब हर दिन है लगता, तुझको सुनाता जाता भागता तुझको मैं जाता जा तेरे जो पल बिताता वक्त से मैं वो मांग लाता याद करके मुस्कुराता
Performance from the talented band of School of Performing Arts. I request everyone kindly join the musical event which is going on here. All the faculty members kindly join the musical event. It is requesting you.
में आओगे जब तुम हो सजना, अंगना फूल गिरेंगे, पानी सारे गमा गा सानी निरे गरे निद निरे नि मद निद द निरे पापा मामा मा दादा मारे मा ग ग गमदनि सा सानी पा मा 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 मारे मा ग सारे ग सानी अंगना फूल गिरेंगे, चंदा कोता पूरा तुम्हें है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में, नदियों में जल मिलता रहे आना भरी बरसातों में, चंदा कोता पूरा तुम्हें है जिंदगी तेरे हाथ, हाँ नदियों में जल मिलता रहे आना भरी बरसातों में, सांसों की ले मध्यम चले तो से कहे बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के कैसे मिलेंगे, आओगे जब तुम सजना, अंगना फूल गिरेंगे, अंगना फूल गिरेंगे, अंगना फूल खिलेंगे, अंगना फूल खिलेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू। मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा इस साइड आ जाएंगे तो और भी ज़्यादा मेरे ख्याल से मज़ा आएगा। तो यहाँ पर चेयर्स भी लगी हुई हैं, आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा सामने आ जाएंगे तो और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू।
Now I request our alumni, Mr. Gautam, please come up on the stage and sing 2 lines.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी ये तेरे तस्वीरें जैसे हो दीवार पे बेफिक्र मैं क्यों हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे दिल का दरिया बह ही गया, इश्क इबादत तू बन गया, खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे, मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया, बात दिल की नजरों ने की, सच कह रहा तेरी कसम, तेरे नाम न लेंगे कभी कितना जाने लगे हम, तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म, तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम, तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम। Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
की
अल्फाज है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छू कर तुम्हें हिल जाएगी, डरे को बुलाओ कभी, बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी, खामोशियाँ खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी, खामोशियाँ। क्या उस गली में कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहाँ से जमाने को गुजरे जमाना हुआ, मेरा समय तो वहीं पे ठहरा हुआ, ओ बताऊं तुम्हें क्या मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ, ओ खामोशियाँ अल्फाज है, घर को बुलाओ जरा, छू कर तुम्हें हिल जाएगी, घर को बुलाओ जरा, बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी, खामोशियाँ खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई, खामोशियाँ खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी, खामोशियाँ खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी, खामोशियाँ। so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
जान जान ढूंढती फिर रही
वास्ता